students. In science, your first lesson, healthy food habits. You know about food habits. Food regularly, you have the food. Which which type of food you will eat? Healthy food you will eat, no? Yes, daily breakfast you will have a gobi, pizza, like that you will have? No, idli, roti, chapati. Healthy foods you will take, no? Vegetables, leafy vegetables, fruits. Yes, daily you will take a fruits and also you will take any liquid juice. Yes, milk. You will have no egg, meat. See. Our body are constantly on move on perform many functions. One thing you remember, if you slept also, our body functions will be regularly started. If you sleep means it will not stop. In sleeping mood also you will breathe, no? Yes. Afterwards you will have lunch because when you slept, no, then also your digestion will go on. See, we are aware of some of these functions like walking, running, studying. There are a function like growing, breathing, digesting food and fighting germs which we are not conscious. Do you know that our body keeps working even we sleep? Our body needs energy to perform all these tasks properly. To perform all these tasks, the food that we eat gets converted into energy. Food only give us the energy. We will take a food that is converted into the energy in our body. Yes, which is used for various body functions. Some of it is also used to produce a heat energy, that is gives our body to warm. Yes, rest of these stored at a fat, it will use the later. See, you will have a food at 1 o'clock. Lunch will have the 1 o'clock. If anything happened or if your mom is not there, then your regular time is 1 o'clock. Still food is not prepared means will fall down. No, that time our fat, what is there in our body fat, no, that is used. It will gives the energy to control. Yes. See, we eat a variety of food. Our culture and tradition mostly guide us. The amount of physical activity and the climate of the place. See, if climate is very cold, you'll eat a ice cream. No, you'll eat a very hot foods will take. See, what our main diet is, whether availability of a seasonal vegetables, fruits also determine our food habits. Most diets include a food that is rich in nutrition, enzymes. We can eat a food either cooked or raw. See, raw food and cooked. Raw means, see, eat that directly. You'll eat a carrot. Yes, you'll fry that carrot. Directly you will eat, no? Carrot you will eat, cucumber. Yes, and also leafy vegetables. You'll take a leaf, some leafy vegetables also. You'll take a raw. Yes, raw vegetables are very healthy to our. They will give the direct nutrition to our body. We eat a fruits. Fruits also will eat a raw, no? Or will fry that fruits? No. Yes, there are also some vegetables that can be eaten raw. See, certain fruit like broccoli, beetroot, garlic have a nutrients and that helps in fighting with the diseases. Cooking destroy their nutrition value. If, see, broccoli, spinach, capsicum, you can eat, no, these are all. This is salad. In salad they will have the capsicum. If you cooked means they lost the nutrition value. Nutrients like vitamin C are lost when we cook the fruits or vegetables containing them. The fiber in a raw food keep us full longer, hence we feel less hungry. And we can use raw vegetables in salad. Carrot, cucumber, tomatoes, beetroot and also onion can be eaten as a salad. Spinach can be mixed with the other vegetables and herbs to make a tasty and healthy smoothies. And there are certain pulses that are eaten raw them in a water. We have to spoil, and raw food should always be washed clean at before eating. While you bring from a market, you bring like that only, you will have with the salt water you will clean that first before eating. Afterwards you have to eat. Like that only cooked foods. Daily you will have the cooked. Yes. Chapati. With the chapati you will have the some palya like that you will eat. No. See, a better part of our diet consists of a food that is cooked. Cooking enhance the taste of the food. Yes. You will like your food, no? Like yes, idli, vada, like that you will eat, no? Cooked foods are very tasty. There are various way to cooking: boiling, grilling, steaming, and also baking are some of them. See here, paneer curry, rice, soup. These are all cooked foods. We should understand that though heat might reduce the nutritional value, certain food using a correct cooking method can enhance the taste and also release the nutritional value from cells. Certain vegetables, boiling vegetables are throw away the water, result in loss of the water gardens, and whereas steaming or grilling retain them. Roasted tomatoes give us the antioxidant, and cooked carrot help us to give the vitamin A. Cooked carrot if you eat means it gives the vitamin A. And boiled rice and rice water is cooked in also have a minerals, starch, which is very healthy. If eaten in a smaller portion, vegetables can be still fried to keep healthy. Yes, understood, no? Thank you.